Hi there, students. Hammer out, thrash out, thresh out, and hash out. These are four phrasal verbs. 1, 2, 3. Now they're 4 fingers. These are 4 phrasal verbs with the same meaning. I think these are more or less interchangeable. You hammer out a deal. You thrash out a deal to arrive at a solution by negotiation, by talking to someone. Yeah? If you have two sides that are unhappy about, one is unhappy about one thing and another the other, you need to thresh out a deal. You need to hash out a deal. Find a solution for it. Talk and negotiate until a solution is found, something that is acceptable for both sides. Because if the negotiation reaches a stalemate or gridlock, then you have not hashed out a deal. You have not threshed out a deal. So let's see. To hammer out with a hammer, bang, 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 bang. Yeah, to flatten, to almost to iron out. But the hammer or the banging implies that both sides feel very strongly about this. The workers are not doing their jobs properly because they feel that they are not paid enough. We need to hammer out a solution. Yeah, we need to pay them more or give them less work. Okay, so with the hammer. To thrash out, to thrash is to beat repeatedly with a stick. The teacher thrashed the boy for not doing his homework. My God, that goes back to times of my youth. But to thrash, to beat, yeah, to hit with a stick. So it's quite similar to the hammer. To thresh, okay, is when you have, for example, wheat, and you need to separate the seed from the covering. And you have a flail, or a nunchuck. It's like a stick with a piece of chain, and then another stick, and you bang on the wheat or the grains, and this separates the seed from the covering. But again, you are hitting very hard. Hash. Well, I think hash gives the idea of cut up into small pieces. Yeah? So you are cutting it into small pieces, but these are all quite violent actions. So I know there is a problem between the two of you, but you need to hammer out a solution. You need to thrash out a solution. You need to find something that will resolve your difficulties. Okay? So, to negotiate with someone until a solution that is acceptable for both sides is found. Okay? So, to thrash out. Thrash it out. So it's a separable phrasal verb. Hammer it out. Hash it out. Thresh it out. What about formality? These are slightly informal phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs normally are maybe 4 out of 10 in formality. You would definitely use this phrase when talking to your friends in the pub. When you're writing an official document, I think maybe you would need another phrase like reach a solution, find a solution, reach a negotiated settlement, to settle, or something like that. I think you could use it for writing if you were writing something more informal, but not for formal writing. Okay? And all of these are regular verb. Hammered, thrashed, threshed, hashed. Yeah? And remember, they're separable. You need to hash it out. Okay? Hash out a solution. It meaning the problem. Okay? So there you go, a little bit more for your vocabularies. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hammer out, thrash out, thresh out, and hash out. Bye for now.